Oh, hey, there you are. Come on, let's go for a ride. Woo! This is Berm Donor. Woo! Let's go. Drop. Woo! Pretty dry today. Woo! Okay, a little bit dry and loose here. Woo! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Oh, so dry. Jump, rocky. Oh, woo! Woo! Rock. Woo, woo, woo. Woo! This is a fun trail. Get going pretty fast, pretty loose and dry. Woo! Little pedally here. Super fun. That first section's pretty fast. Little pedally into this kind of cut block, but it'll pick up again here. At least it's a beautiful day. Woo, let's go pump that. Just kind of coasting. Woo! Pedal this out. Okay. Woo! Drop. Woo! Jump. Woo! Yo! Yo! Loose drop. Woo! That root was big. Try and keep a bit of flow through here. Woo! Pump all this. Woo! It's pretty fun. Tight. Woo! 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 So good. Okay. Woo, tight turn there. Pump that, just hold your flow. Woo, tight turn. Woo. Oh, some tight turns there. Woo! Nice and wide here. It's a good line. Woo! Rooty. Let's take that line today. Pretty rooty. Woo! Oh, this is tight. Woo! Okay. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! So good. Woo! Such a fun trail. Woo! 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 So good. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! All right, now that was Berm Donor up on McPherson. And Garmin says that the time was 4.25 minutes and the distance was 1.25 kilometers. I ride a new trail every week. Subscribe and come ride with me. We'll see you on the next one. Yep.